creating an efficient workflow with teamwork is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, and then search here for teamwork. And you can see that the search is here. You have to click on the first link, that is teamwork.com. After some time, the website will open. Here you can see that the overview of this website, the only all-in-one platform for client work. You can see that it has many buttons on the header bar. That is myteamwork.com. Here you can see that some important features of this, that is agencies, professional services, creative teams, manage client work, plan projects, allocate resources. These are the facilities that teamwork gives you to manage your work. Next one is product of this website, that is overview, time tracking, resource management, project plan, website project, client onboarding. We will discover all these things after creating our account. Next you can see that compare us button, resources, pricing, login, and book a demo button. You can use according to your choices. Next, you can see that it is an option of start your free trial. So, if you want to start with free trial, then you can click on it. If you want to purchase, then you can also purchase from here. And on the below side, you can see that over 20,000 teams trust the only platform custom bullet for client service businesses. And these are the companies that use this, like Spotify, Netflix, eBay. These companies use this teamwork website. Next, you can see that one solution for all your client operation challenges. I suggest you to use this website properly because this is very effective website to generate and manage the client work. Next, you have to click on try it free button or start your free trial button. So, click one of them. And then you have to enter the email and password or full name here. So, I type here my work email, that is it. After this, you have to enter the password. Make sure you have a strong password and never share this password with anyone. Now, you have to agree to all the terms and policies. And here you have to enter the full name of your company. Now, click on Get Started for free. Here is a new pop-up. If you want to save password, then you can save password. In the next pop-up, you have to select the industry, like technology, hospitality, government. So, I'm going for this one. And next one, how many people are in your company? So, I select 1 to 5 because I am not a full company. And next one is what role do you perform in your company? So, I select a team member. And the next one is the name of your company. That is Usama's company. You can also change it, like I write here, Sargata Time. So, that's the name of my company. Then click on Continue button. Make sure you have good internet connection to use this website. But you can see that my website is opening here after creating account. The next window will look like this. Here you can see that. Help us personalize your experience. What do you want to do with teamwork? So you can choose whatever you are. So I click on this one and click on Next button. So this is the last step to set up your account on this website. Here you just have to check that bug tracking website project plan. And these are the settings that you can do. Next, here in the right side you can see the table, board, and list templates. Next you can click on Continue with this template. And then you can give the name of your project content plan. You can choose one of them and you can see how this look after creating the project. So I choose this one because I like this. Click on Continue button. And you can also skip all of these if you want. So I click on Skip button. Here you can see that I have successfully created my account. That is free account, so maybe it has some limitation to create project. But if you want to create an effective workflow with teamwork, then you have to purchase plan. Next, you can see that there are some options on the left side of screen. First one is Quick Add button. So when you click on it, you can quickly add tasks, start timer, long time, project people, and many more options are here that you can use according to your needs. Next one is Home section. So you can see that there is the home dashboard that you are looking right now. Next one is Search option. You can search here anything which you want. Next one is Welcome. So you can also see that this is the welcome dashboard of this website. Next one is Education. Here you can see that about the education process. Next one is Jump to button. And you can also use this one. We will discover these options later. Next one is Project option. Next one is Templates. So here is the main important option right here. Add your team member. Let's suppose if you have a big team and you want to add those people in your account. You just have to enter the email of that person. Like I enter my own email because I don't have right now any team. So I am typing my own email here to invite myself just to show you how you can do it. Next, you have to select the project, content plan, and then invite sections. The person will be invited when he accepts the invitation, and he will show in this section. Next you can see that other apps here. You can explore this one. So here is the notification option. Now come back to the home section and on the upper right of the screen, you have some more options like my project section. You can access this option from here. And you can also access this project option from here. And next one is More option. You have Inbox option is here. You can see the message from your team member to chat with him. And next you have to click on View Your Inbox button. So now there is no message because this is newly created account. So currently I don't have any team member here. Next, let's start to create our first project. Now you can click on my project button right here. And here you can see that some new dashboard is here. Next you have to click on add project button on the left upper corner of the screen. And here you have to complete 4 steps to create project. So first one is use template or start from scratch. So I suggest you to use a template always because it is very effective and very easy to use. So let's go. I can search here for web development also. Now you can see that web development option is not right here. So I want to go with creative request. Now you can see that this is the second step. Here you have to add project dates. That is optional. You can also set a solid period. Here you have to enter the start date of your product. Next one is choose a name. You can also change the name like I write here. First project. Next, you have to choose a company name. So, here maybe you have one or more company if you added before. But I right now just have one company that is Sargata Time. So I select this one. And next, you can see that help your team to request a set that need an effective creative request. But you have to scroll down and here you have to choose a budget type. You can see here is 3 options, no budget, standard, and retainer. So I click on no budget because I just created my demo project. Here next click on next step. Here is a third step to generate your first project. Here you can see that there are 2 members. First one is me and second one is also me because this is my invited account that I have sent invite previous. You can see that it's here. And next one option is team option. So now you can add the team member here. You just have to select this one and choose one of them which you want. So right back and here you can see that there is the same option. Next, we have to click on next step button. Here you have to add a project category. So I selected no category, but you can also choose add a category button. Next you can choose the color which you want. So I write the name of company like category name is web development company. So just click on add category button. So you can see that the category is added successfully. Next is add tag to this project. Now click on add section and add tag button. Here you can write the tag which you want. So next one is time available. You can check this if you want or if you not you can use according to your choice. Next one is assign a custom field. We currently have no custom field available. Click on this button but I have no custom field right now. Just click on create project button. Now you can see that my project is created here and you can see that there are some options right here that is list, board, table, and time. So now you have to come back to the project section that is task list. If you want to add task then click on add task list here. Next you have to enter the name of your task like I write here a complete assignment and next you have to select the template. Now you can see that no data available right now but main task is template. So you can also manage this from here but I want to create a template so now you just have to enter the name of template. So I just write here and next you have to enter the description. So I don't want to write anything so just click on it and go to the template button. Next you can see that this is created. Now you just have to click on add task button. And here are some options that we are going to set. Here you can see that for who should do this and you can choose a particular member and if you want to do anyone you can click on this one. Now you have to set your start date like I write here from tomorrow it will start it. And due date is 4 days. Next you have to enter a description of your project like I write here complete work about college. So this is my random text. You can see that it's created. Next you have to click on file button and here you add or paste file from your computer. So I go there and I just upload a picture of that project here you can see that it's uploading. So it's uploading here that fashion Instagram template. Next you have to click on priority button. So I click on high because I want high quality of work. Next one is progress in time bar. You cannot be set to 100%. Now progress bar may be 40 to 60%. Estimated time complete so I like to write here 24 hour and next you have to click on follow button. And here you can see that the followers that you can create. Next one is tag. You have to enter the tag which you can add easily. After this you can select the tag which you want. Next you have more options like dependency, date, accuracy and many more options are here. So you can do all of the settings according to yours. So in this way you can create an efficient task here. So now you can see that its first project is here.